Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this 2011 GMC Acadia. This is the same as the Chevy Traverse. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button and leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm? It really helps out a lot. Alright, we're coming over here to the passenger side rear door. And we are going to pull up this plastic flap. You might have a fastener right here that needs to be removed. Now we need to take out this T20 Torx bit screw right here. Now we're going to pop this panel up right here. Just kind of pops up like that. Then we can lift this cover, slide it forward a little bit, move it out of the way. And there we have our battery. If you need to replace your battery, it'll be easiest to slide your seat all the way back and then remove this plastic panel. Alright, now we have full access to take out our battery here. We're going to start by removing the battery connectors. So we're going to loosen this 10mm nut right here and this 10mm nut right here. Then we'll take these connectors off. Now we need to take a 13mm and take out that bolt right there. You'll want to pull out the bolt and this fastener right here as well. Now we can try to pull our cables to the side here. And we can remove the battery. So that's pretty much what there is. At this point, you're going to install your new battery in reverse order. And that is that. So I will have an Amazon affiliate link in the description below where you can get a new battery that will fit in there. But if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.